If you're looking to upgrade your woodworking setup without draining your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering 20 practical, performance-driven woodworking tools you can grab for under $100. So, let's see what we have got. First up, the Trend Concealed Screw Decking Jig, priced at $58.50, is a game changer for anyone aiming for a clean, professional deck surface. This jig guides screws in at a hidden 50-degree angle, preserving your deck's look while ensuring strong fastening. With built-in spacers, it keeps your board gaps consistent for proper drainage and expansion, which means your deck stays durable over time. The quick-release clamping arm lets you position the jig quickly, while onboard driver bit storage keeps everything organized for an efficient workflow. When it comes to chisels, the OxPro 5-piece chisel set, available for $56.93, delivers durability and comfort in demanding woodworking tasks. Each chisel features Ox's signature rubber grip for excellent control, while a shock-absorbing sleeve reduces fatigue during repeated hammer strikes. The large surface striking backs enhance accuracy, and each chisel is crafted from a single piece of high-carbon steel encased in a molded handle, ensuring they can handle everything from rough shaping to fine paring. If you often deal with doors, the MilesCraft 8413 Pin Doctor, priced at just $7.99, is an incredibly handy tool designed for quick, damage-free hinge pin removal. Using a solid steel striking pin that aligns perfectly with the hinge, the flat installation surface allows you to reinsert pins cleanly, ensuring your doors remain scratch-free while saving you time on adjustments and removals. Pocket hole joinery becomes effortless with Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro, priced at $99.99. This jig features a 360-degree rotating handle and a portable design, allowing you to drill pocket holes on materials ranging from ½ to 1½ inches thick anywhere in your shop or job site. Compatible with Kreg clamps and support wings, it also features onboard tool storage, making it a reliable companion for both quick repairs and full builds. Next, the Trex Universal Fastener Installation Tool, priced at $75.90, is designed to make your deck installation faster and smoother. With a one-step process, it significantly reduces your installation time while increasing accuracy with Trex hideaway hidden fasteners. The tool features a nose cone that aligns perfectly with the screw heads, ensuring each fastener goes in cleanly and efficiently, helping you achieve a seamless deck surface. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig, priced at $32.99, simplifies Euro-style cabinet hinge installations using just your standard drill. It comes with a carbide tip bit and a depth stop collar to ensure you get clean, accurate cup holes every time. This tool eliminates guesswork, making it ideal for installing new cabinet doors or replacing old hinges while ensuring perfect alignment and smooth door operation. The TrigJig RSA7 Rafter Square, priced at $100, is a premium fixed rafter square designed for precision and durability. CNC machined from 4mm thick T6 aluminum, it offers right-angle precision of plus or minus 0.008 degrees along its length. It features fully engraved hip, valley, and protractor scales that won't fade or rub off, ensuring long-lasting readability for professional use. The FatMax Express Workbench, priced at $87.54, is a durable, portable work surface for tackling heavy-duty tasks. With a 450-kilogram load capacity and a spacious 85 centimeters by 61 centimeters surface, it can handle a range of projects while remaining easy to transport. It's compatible with Stanley FatMax clamps and includes dog bench holes and X grooves for secure angled clamping, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals or DIYers working in tight spaces. For layout work that demands precision, the Copro 353 Legit Square, priced at $26.99, steps up to the challenge. It features a retractable ledge support, an etched stainless steel ruler and angle marking holes for quick, accurate measurements. With 132-inch graduations, an aluminum cast handle and milled surfaces, it's perfect for tasks in construction, drywall work, and fine woodworking projects. Safety and control meet with the Woodpeckers Freehand Guard, priced at $49.99. This tool replaces your router table fence when working with curved or irregular pieces, providing a clear acrylic shield that protects your hands without blocking visibility. Two fulcrum points similar to starter pins give you controlled, precise starts while ensuring you work safely during your routing tasks. Keep your router bits sharp and clean with the Woodpeckers Router Bit Cleaning and Maintenance Kit, priced at $34.99. This kit includes a cleaning reservoir with built-in storage for a folding brass brush, a bit grip with 1/4, 1/2, and 8mm collets for safe handling, and a dual grit diamond hone for sharpening. Step holders in the lid suspend your bits in solution, ensuring a thorough clean without cutter contact. Next, the Woodpecker stainless steel setup square, priced at $98, blends a square, caliper, and scribing tool into one precision-focused device. Integrated stops keep it upright for parallel scribing on both sides, and its adjustable head allows you to set cut depths and check dimensions with ease. It's a one-tool solution for endless precision in your layout and measuring tasks. The Trend 35mm Concealed Cabinet Hinge Jig, priced at $35.41, is designed for the fast, accurate installation of Euro-style cabinet hinges. It offers tool-free setup with pilot hole guides and adjustable inset positions, while a spring-loaded drill guide protects your surfaces. Made from glass fiber reinforced nylon, it includes an integrated depth stop to prevent over-drilling, ensuring you get precise, repeatable results. Clamping precision is effortless with the Microjig Matchfit ratchet clamp. This clamp features anti-pivot spring technology to keep the clamp arm stable during use, while a quick release trigger allows rapid adjustments. Its ratchet mechanism ensures a vibration-resistant hold even during heavy sanding or routing, with a 7-inch clamping capacity and 2.5-inch throat depth for a wide range of applications. If you work on small-scale joinery, the Veritas Pocket Layout Squares, priced at $12 each, are a must-have tool. Measuring only 35mm on the shorter sides, these compact squares are ideal for precise layout work close to the edge of your workpiece. Machined from solid aluminum with a matte anodized surface, they're laser-etched with 1mm increments and angles in 10-degree increments, making them a convenient tool for fine woodworking. For fast, precise layout work, the Woodpecker Saddle T-Square, priced at $20.99, offers unique features in a pocket-sized tool. It includes holes to guide your pencil, an edge that wraps around your work for stability, and a high-contrast laser-engraved scale for clear markings. It's a compact tool that easily fits into your shop apron or jeans pocket for immediate access during layout tasks. Finally, the Infiniti Precision Straight Edge, under $100, is a versatile shop essential for machine setup and layout tasks. With a 46-inch length, it's perfect for checking jointer beds, table saw flatness, and aligning bandsaw wheels. It features a 1/4-inch wide channel on both faces, allowing you to add adhesive-backed rules for custom calibration and marking, making it indispensable for accurate machine setup. And there you have it, 20 practical, budget-friendly woodworking tools under $100 that will elevate your shop without emptying your wallet. Which tool are you adding to your lineup next? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget tool tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next woodworking upgrade for your shop. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.